It's another video on SEO Neo. And if you're in their Discord, and maybe you're not, but there's a lot of questions about how much content you need for any given diagram. Now, I'm going to give you the say the version that comes from the creators, and then I'll give you my opinion, and then you do you, boo. All right. So first off, if you want to know what content is needed in your content buckets for any given diagram, you go to diagram editor, select your diagram, and then click content info, and it'll tell you this design that needs 408 articles, 200 descriptions, 344 bios for tier 1, and then number of articles in tier 2, 50 plus spin, so you get 15,000 unique, 50 plus spin unique, and 50 plus spin for bios. If you read that, then what that means is you need essentially 2 content buckets. You need one content bucket for tier 1 that has 408 articles in it, 200 short descriptions, and 344 bios. If you know Neo in the back end, creating those bios, those are all generic. So, but that's what you need in one content bucket. And then your second content bucket, you need this. The idea being that you're not putting spun content at tier 1 and it's all unique. Even with AI, 408 to run one diagram is a lot. But let's just say that you're going to do this. You can create broad keyword content buckets and use them over and over again in other things versus just using it in one. So all hope is not lost. We'll see another example. Let's go to one that everyone is using, DAS version 2. Content info, tier 1, you need 220 unique articles. Tier 2, you need 50. And that's it. Honestly, that's not too bad. I have a bucket in there with 100 using OpenAI to generate them. Not too horrible. Okay. Let's see. RD100. This is another good one. 51, 121, 43, 50. So either way, if you're doing it like it's suggested from the diagram creators, you're actually creating 2 buckets. Here's a problem, or one problem. If you're using RDL Wizard to create this, and you have, and you need essentially 2 buckets to do it, but you're using the wizard, you can only select one bucket when the wizard is making it. So that would mean you'd actually have to go in and try to edit in the back end after the wizard did it to create the tier 2s. And at that point, why aren't you just making the RD100 yourself manually? Right? Same with the DAS. If you use the DAS thing, you don't get the option to select tier 1 and tier 2 content buckets. You select one content bucket. So if that's the case, then why do I need these different numbers of things? Why can't I just create 50 plus spinned articles and I've got my tier 1 and tier 2s taken care of? Okay. So questions, things make you go, so what I do is actually I create broad content buckets. I can't show you mine just because I got my keywords in there and some of that stuff might lead to clients, right? But what you can do is create broad keywords. So in my case, for digital ear, SEO, search engine optimization, would be the broad keyword. And I create this big ass content bucket, 100 articles in there, 100 short descriptions, 100 blog comments, and optimized one single bio that's optimized for search engine optimization. You can see it and go in there and do it pretty easily. And just add names for the blogs and then names for the subdomains in regards that are related to search engine optimization. I picked like brand type names when I do it. And so there's partial match keywords in there, brand plus keyword in mine, but you can certainly do it with a list of keywords directly related if you have, directly related to your topic. So SEO, SEO agency, SEO company, city SEO, that kind of stuff. And you'll be honestly, you'll be just fine doing that. If you're in the same market, you can reuse a file over and over and over again. Just save it somewhere because you can't save it inside of Neo. But that is the answer to how much content you need to run a campaign. It's all right here, or you just use your subjective ideas. And I did it subjectively. I don't follow this. I think, honestly, if you're creating thousands of articles for Neo, you're probably lighting money on fire. And if you want to light money on fire, come to digitalear.com and sign up for an hour SEO consulting service. And we'll walk you through how to use this software and a whole lot more.